When I was a kid, my favorite thing to do was bake brownies or cookies from one of those store-bought mixes. Nowadays, instead of something from a box, I start from scratch. You only need 6 ingredients for these baked banana blueberry bars. The 3 main ingredients: bananas, oatmeal, and fresh blueberries. Plus, I added 3 superfoods I always keep in my pantry: chia seeds and hemp seeds for protein, fiber, and healthy fats, plus some maca for energy. I actually didn't have any powdered maca on hand, so I improvised and grabbed my husband's supplements and broke open the pills. After mixing everything together and folding in the fresh berries, I flattened it out, added some cinnamon, which, in case you don't know, fights inflammation, popped it in the oven at 350 degrees. After 30 minutes, the bars were baked to perfection. I seriously cannot stop eating these.